about to go into Zara and see what's new in with Zeliha and India. Let's go. I really like this bag. It's the one that India's wearing.
I really like it too.
It's also this really nice bag in here if you hold it.
Oh, sorry.
It's $49.99. That's really nice.
Very expensive, but very nice.
But I've seen so many different places sell that. I think Shein does it. Is it Shein?
Yeah, I've seen it.
There's some really nice cream one on there, but that one's nice though. It's a nice colour.
A bomber there.
Cute. Nice little bomber jacket. Oh, they've got a new style of the bag. So I was wearing the cream one. We still are obsessed with it, but they've come out with a black like croc style, which is $17.99 as well.
Yep.
Nice. I love these kind of t-shirts.
I was going to say, they have to come up with their little...
My comfort zone is a clothes market in London. Love is never out of style. Nice. That is backpack. Nice. How much is that? $19.99. Oh. I like this coat. That's really nice. It's $19.99 for that. Oh, this coat is also really nice. Oh my god, it's so soft. $49.99 for that.
It's nice though.
Really nice.
But it comes with a skirt.
That's $19.99. Look, it's a bigger version of that bag. Oh, I really like this cord. It's a cream cord. If you know me, you know I love wearing cords. So it comes with this top and these trousers.
The white ones, the black ones are yours. Oh, I love them. I absolutely love
And these are $25.99 and the top's $25.99 as well. Quite nice. That's nice. Can you show that?
Such a nice colour.
It's a really nice colour. Oh, that is
Oh my
so
God,
me.
so
Oh, I thought they were wide leg and they would have been me even more.
They are.
They're
not
not.
tight.
Oh, but they're so nice. Are they $25.99 each?
And the top is $25.99 also.
Nice, love that. This skirt is still so cute.
Yeah, I tried that on. It's so pretty. I think I tried it on in the burnt orange. Nice. Oh my god.
That's so nice.
Cute.
That's really nice. That's really different.
You don't like it? I actually do like it.
I like it.
Oh my god, I think
Personally, no.
if it was smaller, I would like it more.
Just because
How
I'm
much
not,
is it?
I'm not a fan of that
$29.99.
quilt. The quilt reminds me of like
I like quilt.
Primark.
No, I like
Oh, I know what you mean actually.
Yeah.
But it's nice.
I get your vibe, but I just
think it's really cute. If it was a bit smaller, I would have definitely bought this.
It's
If
nice.
I see it in a smaller size.
I get your vibe with
They
it.
look really comfy.
Yeah, they're like the Balenciaga, aren't they?
Yeah. Zara love doing a good dupe.
Emma's got them.
They literally have this in Primark.
Yeah, no,
Yeah, they've got a dupe of this in Primark, guys.
It's so nice, really nice.
And it's like £30 in Primark.
And it's $89.99 here. My favourite top.
Aisha absolutely loves these.
I have them in.
She raves about them all the
I have
time.
them in all the different colours. Favourite is black. Like we've got.
Oh,
Me and Zell have this
I've got
bag.
that.
We both have it.
And they've got it in black.
$17.99 and it's such a good size.
India, do you like this bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got it.
I don't know, I do like that.
It's nice. But you didn't like... Yeah, you should. I've got these guys and I don't know where they are.
Oh,
Do you have them?
You did them in a haul.
Yeah, and I don't know where they are.
I've
not even worn them.
Last time I came here because mine
really
were
like
ripped.
They're so
They're
nice.
$19.99.
Yeah, I can't find
It's hit and
them.
miss with a chance, isn't it?
I love them. I own a lot of the black ones
Yeah.
and I have them. I've got the red ones. These are so nice.
Work here.
So soft. Oh wow.
Really like that. Cool as well.
Ooh.
Cool, isn't it? It's $49.99, but I like it. Oh my god, that would keep you so warm. I like that.
I think that's a really nice jacket.
This jumper's nice. I love jumpers.
$29.99.
That's nice. It's really thick as well. Is that a coat one? Remember when like everyone wore these, but the bigger?
Yeah, you had some of them, didn't you?
Yeah, I had the brown one. I loved it. It was so nice. How much are these ones?
15.
That's not bad.
Guys, I have these shorts. I love them. And I've also got them in this blue as well.
And they're only $12.99. I was going to get
Bargain.
another pair, but
I love them.
because I wore my black ones so much and the orange ones from here.
You need to find the orange ones so I can have them. You don't wear them.
That is such a new dress.
It is. What you got? Let's see.
These are the ones that I said I tried on.
Yeah, them ones are not in promotion for some reason.
But they didn't look too flattering on me.
They're only £19.99, aren't they? They're so nice though.
I just don't think they fit properly.
I like them. Yeah. I think they're cool.
I do.
I think we like dresses. Yeah. Oh yeah, they look really nice. This is coat. The colour is so nice. And it's £89.99.
I'm thinking about whether to pick one of these up. They're only £9.99 and they've got them in green and black as well. She spotted some trainers.
I have so many white trainers now, don't I? I don't need any more.
Oh, they've got like a zebra.
Yeah, but you know the
print
zebra ones
inside.
that I saw in Lanzarote?
Yeah.
I really liked them, but they don't have them here. These are cool. That looks so cozy.
Nice colour.
So nice. With that black top from here. I
Mm.
don't really mind. £25.99.
Oh, I've got that. Is that what I've got? Is it? No, I don't
No,
know.
yours is slightly different. What is it? No, this
Yeah, it's a bit different.
don't have a hood.
Oh yeah, it's a collar.
They always bring back these kind of shoes, don't they?
The biker ones.
They've got like little gems on these ones. They're cool though. I bet they're £100. 95.
They've got dupes in Primark with them.
They're really nice.
I feel like the lighting in here always looks a bit yellowy. Oh, she's looking at some leggings.
I like these.
They're like the leather trousers we always wear.
Oh, they have these, but I don't think they
Let's show them.
They're nice though, aren't they? £19.99. See, I like basic, you like trash.
Yeah. I have both of them. I have basic
These
and
are from
track.
Primark, but like a bit baggy on me.
That coat's a bit of me. How much is that? There we go.
Remember when we bought those pink and
Yeah.
blue ones on there?
Really like these shirts as well. They've got them in different colours. Obviously this colour was the original. And then they came out with the green and they've also got it in this pink as well. I think they're like £19.99. So cheap. So Aisha's just found this t-shirt. That's really cute. How much is that?
Basic tops like this.
You do, you have quite a few.
Because I like them with leather trousers. Hello.
I absolutely love this. I've got my green two-piece from here, which I can't see, but this one's nice. So like that's the top. And then these are the trousers. I just find they're so easy. I like the pink one as well.
I saw a really nice necklace and a bracelet from here that I really want to find. These are nice. I think Zara's put up their prices though. Like, I mean, I guess it's good like quality. So, what is it?
They've also got a yellow one in the bag as well. So we've just come across this shirt, which is actually really, really nice.
So
Aisha was thinking about wearing that as a dress. It looks like it, or 25.
With those boots would look really nice.
I think we're trainers,
Yeah.
with like chunky white trainers. Oh yeah, Air Forces.
My Air Forces are not so white anymore. I really like this. I feel like this is like so me, like just like a slogan piece. Again with leather trousers. This is really nice. They do it in a grey. They've also got it in a black as well. It's so cozy. £25.99. Cute. I really like that. Really nice colour, and I like the sleeves.
How much is that one?
Hey.
I love this white coat. My older sister's ordered it for her birthday, and it's yeah, it's so
Do you
nice.
know that she's gonna get so much makeup on this?
Yeah, it is a makeup coat,
If I
but
had this coat, I'd have to have my hair down the whole time.
so nice.
How much is it?
To the bottom.
It's only 60 quid though. It's not bad for a like good quality coat.
It's nice. There's so many nice coats. This one's really nice as well. It's actually on the mannequin. Let me just show you. That's so nice. We're just looking at the perfumes,
This one's good.
and Zel's just going to tell you some of her favourites. What is that?
Wonder Rose.
It's not focusing, but basically Wonder Rose. What else?
Oriental.
Oriental is a good classic. That's nice.
Femme.
My favourite is Wonder Rose, if I have to
Yeah.
choose, because it's really sweet and fresh. Femme's nice, quite musky as well.
They're all quite nice.
If you like J'adore, you should get Rose, which probably is over that way. but it smells like, yeah, j'adore. Let me see if it's here. Yeah, it's this one. It smells really nice, and it comes in a set with that one. Okay, so yeah, that is everything that we've seen new in Zara. So we hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash it a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you on our next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!